Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloud Tech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about visualization, how to create visualization in Power BI. So basically, what exactly is visualization first? We will try to understand. So visualization basically it is a representation of data is called visualization. For example, a chart or a graph can be used to represent data visually. So Power BI basically gives you different visualization type which keeps getting updated with time. So if you see right now we have different visualization option and there are few example here like map representation. You can show your data in the map. You can you can visualize your data in your card. You can visualize data in stacked area chart, tree map, and pie chart. So based on the requirement, you can visualize your data in different charts. So here are these options which I have mentioned above. So see here, this is the map representation. So you can see sales here. You can see these bubbles which will basically represent the sales or the revenue, whatever your measure is. This is the card. Basically it will basically show the again your total sales. It may be year wise, it may be category wise based on the requirement. And this is sales and profit by country. And this is another visual which is pie chart. And this is another one. So based on the requirement, we can select visual and then we can show the data. So basically in Power BI, what we are trying to do, we are visualizing the data into the graph format, into any bar chart, pie chart, any of the visuals. Now let me move into the Power BI and try to show how we can create the visual. Okay. So this is the Power BI desktop. If I talk about my previous video, we have already covered how we can do data transformation, data cleaning. So exactly what happened before, creating report, creating any visual, we get data which we need to clean. So using Power Query Editor, we can do cleaning, we can do transformation. So I recommend you to watch my previous video before watching this, so that would be helpful for you guys. So now, if I show you this option, if you see these all are the visualization. These are the basically existing Power BI visualization, like bar chart, column chart, cluster bar chart, and pie chart, donut chart, and cards which I showed you, and these are the map one. So other than that, if you want to, uh, get another visual, so there are this option you can see three dot. You can click here and click on get more visual. So there are third party available which can provide you the visuals. So that is paid. So that is basically depend on the client requirement. Okay. And this is the data set basically option here. You will see all the data set. Right now we have only one. So you can maximize this. You have all the columns here and you can basically select your column and then start creating graph. So what you need to do while creating graph, you can click on any of the visuals. So let's say we are clicking on this one stacked bar chart. And if you see this is the option y-axis, x-axis, legend, small, multiples, tooltip. So first we are going to use these options only, x and y. So I'm clicking on category and sales. Let me minimize this so that it will be good representation for you. So now if you see there are three category and we have chosen sales. So it is automatically divided as soon as I drag the values. So here if you hover on it, you can see category, technology and sales is this much. Similarly, furniture, similarly office supplies. So you may have more categories. Okay. Now let's say if you want to change the visual, so you don't need to do, you just click here and you can change here. Just change here, whatever you want. Okay. Now, if you want to see the same data into the table as well, for just for some requirement purpose, or you want to see some more insight or whatever, if you want to see, you can just right click here on three dots and show as a table, so you can see like this as well. So this is the option. Okay. Other than that, what you can do, you can basically change the column here. Let's say right now here category and sales, and you don't want to see based on the category, you want to see based on the, let's say, product name. So you can click here product name and remove the category. So these all are the product. So see, in this case we can use table because it is not that much visual. So you can just click here and table, and now you can do like this. If this is the scenario, it's depend on the requirement to requirement. Okay. Similarly, you can choose another one, let's say segment, and you can change here as well. Let's say you don't want to s- see based on the sales, you can change to profit. So like this, you can change. Okay. Now, like this way, you can create multiple graphs. So if you need to create another graph, so what you will do? You will again click here, another graph will come. Okay. And here also you can choose, let's say region, and then region by sales. See. Now, if you need to change any of the graph, so you just need to click on graph. Then only you will be able to change it. So you can, let's say, click here and then you can change. Similarly, you can click here, you can change. So like this, you can create multiple graphs on your page. Okay. So I hope this video would be useful. And in the next video, we will go through all the formatting options in Power BI, like how we can change increase the size, how basically we can change the value like in dollar, or there are multiple options. So all of these we will go through in the next video. Thank you everyone.